Hello students, in this lecture I shall explain transpose of a matrix, adjoint of a matrix and inverse of a matrix. First, transpose of a matrix. The matrix obtained from any given matrix A by interchanging rows and columns is called transpose of A and is denoted by A dash. Thus, the transposed matrix of A. Here, a matrix has been shown with 2 columns and 3 rows. After transposing, the rows and columns get interchanged. That means, after transpose, we get 2 rows and 3 columns. The transpose of an M by N matrix is N by M matrix. Also, the transpose of a matrix coincides with itself. That means, if we take transpose of a matrix 2 times, we get the original matrix. That means, A dash and dash is equal to A. For symmetric matrix, A dash is equal to A, and for a skew symmetric matrix, A dash is equal to minus A. Observation number 1. The transpose of the product of 2 matrices is the product of their transposes taken in the reverse order. That means transpose of A by B is equal to transpose of B by transpose of A. For the element in the ith row and jth column of transpose of A by B is equal to element in the jth row and ith column of AB is equal to inner product of the jth column of A dash with the ith row of B dash. This is equal to element in the ith row and jth column of B dash by A dash. Hence, transpose of A by B is equal to transpose of B by transpose of A. Observation number 2. Every square matrix can be uniquely expressed as a sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. Now, adjoint of a square matrix. The determinant of the square matrix is shown here. A is the square matrix and delta is equal to the same matrix, and it is denoted by 2 vertical bars. The matrix formed by the cofactors of the elements in the determinant is. This is the matrix formed by the cofactors. A1 is the cofactor of the first element A1, and similarly there are other cofactors. Then the transpose of this matrix. Here the matrix has been converted into its transposed form. That means the rows have been converted into columns. This is called adjoint of the matrix A and is written as ADJA. Thus, the adjoint of A is the transposed matrix of A. Inverse of a matrix. If A be any square matrix, then a matrix B, if it exists, such that AB is equal to BA is equal to I, that is identity matrix, is called the inverse of A, which is denoted by A raised to the power minus 1, so that A by A raised to the power minus 1 is equal to 1. This can be written as A minus 1 is equal to adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Observation number 1. Inverse of a matrix is unique. If possible, let 2 inverses of the matrix A be B and C. Then AB is equal to BA is equal to I, and AC is equal to CA is equal to I. Therefore, CAB is equal to CA within bracket by B is equal to IB is equal to B, and CAB is equal to CAB within bracket is equal to CI is equal to C. So we get the same result. Therefore, B is equal to C. Observation number 2. The reciprocal of the product of two matrices is the product of their reciprocals taken in the reverse order. That means AB raised to the power minus 1 is equal to B minus 1 by A minus 1. Multiplication by an inverse matrix plays the same role in matrix algebra that division plays in ordinary algebra. That means if matrix A by matrix B is equal to matrix C into matrix D, then A inverse A into B is equal to A minus 1 C by D. Thank you.